Hey, what's going on? Dave here, back at Brett's RV and Marina, Missoula, Montana, with another walkthrough demonstration. This brand new 2023 Ember RV. This is the Overland Series. The model number is 190 MDB. I think you'll like this one. Let's get started.
So we'll just start with the front here. First, we got this electric tongue jack. It's everything, all the components are by Lippert. So in the front cap here, we have everything's enclosed, all your propane tanks. You don't have to worry about buying a box or a lock after. Everything's already there. Right next to here, we have your pass-through storage. So they dropped the whole chassis on this. So you have the big pass-through storage with the Go Power, charge controller, solar on there, thicker doors. Most campers you see, you got a 1-inch door or smaller. These guys are more than a 1-inch door. Stabilizing jacks here. You just kick it with your foot, get it down, give it a little crank. It's really fast. Faster than electric jacks. We got friction hinges on the doors. So you go to slam the door, big wind picks up. It's not going to throw it. It closes really nicely. The solid steps. A lot easier to get up and down. They fold right into the coach. You don't ever have to worry about them getting torn off by a rock or a stump or anything like that. You can remove them really easily. If you're in tight spots, easy to put back on. We have the Curt independent suspension. That's huge with these things. For any off-road, going down the highway, everything's really smooth. You can lock out the back tire here. Put a lock on there. No one can steal your coach. On this one, we have a big outdoor kitchen. Flat top is really fast. You got a quick connect for your propane line, your Everchill fridge. It is a 12-volt fridge. We have enough solar on this to run just about everything. On the back here, we have a door that goes into your bunk beds. The bunk actually folds up. You can put bikes in there, firewood. You got tie-down straps here. And they mounted the tire to the side here. So you can still get a bike rack here, firewood rack, whatever you need. It's easy to get to this tire. If you did get a flat, you're not climbing underneath the coach to kind of try to fix everything there. It's prepped for a backup camera. Everything on this is solid. All your bumpers, all your walls. And we do have a 30-amp service and Goodyear 10-ply tires, nitrogen-filled tires. And then we have a spot here for your sewer hose. You can put your sewer hose in there instead of a Tupperware inside the coach. But all your lines, all your poles go inside a heated enclosed underbelly. This is a true Four Seasons camper. If you enjoy the Montana lifestyle, being outdoors, this is the coach. All right, let's move into the inside of this 2023 Ember. Up front, we have a Murphy bed up here. So when you're not being used, it just folds right up into the coach. Really fast and easy. You got a couch up front here. Gives you a lot of extra space. When you're kind of moving around during the day, it's really easy to put up and down. It's all solid surface countertops, so you don't have any T-molding that's going to work its way out eventually. What they're doing with the cabinets is glue and screw cabinetry. So they're using pocket hole screws on all the way around and gluing them, and they're mounting on steel plates in between the walls. Really modern look. You got a Furrion 32-inch smart TV. We have a solar package on this that's going to run everything. It's going to run the AC. It's going to run the microwave, your refrigerator. One thing that's neat about these, right above the bed, we have a Stargazer window here. So you have day shades and blackout shades. So if it's one of those days, you're on vacation, you feel like sleeping in, those things are pretty amazing. At night, you can lay in bed and look at the stars. All the windows do open. You see a lot of RVs where that window doesn't open above the cooktop. These do open. They are emergency exit windows. All right, moving to the back of the coach. What we have here is another couch to sit on. You can adjust that TV to kind of move it any direction you need. We do have a table here to sit down and eat. This table does remove really easily, so you can pull it right off. It does store underneath the couch. This turns into another bed. So if you need something you can get in tight spots for hunting, anything like that, these coaches are great because you still have the sleeping capacity. You can do 2 in the front. This makes into the bed. Speaking of sleeping arrangements, we got the bunk back here. I kind of showed you that back door before when we were out there, but it just pops right down, turns into another bunk. And it is a bigger bunk. You got USB ports in there, charging ports, and LED lights. And you do have the night and day shades in there. And then a big 8 cubic foot electric refrigerator. Tons of space in there. They're a lot deeper. The solar on this will run this fridge all day long. And then moving into the bathroom, we have a porcelain toilet and a shower miser. Now those shower misers, instead of wasting water going straight down the gray, you can run it. It's got a little elbow on there, lets you know when the water is hot. So you can save a lot of water with the shower miser by AquaView.
That wraps it up for this one. Thanks so much for watching. For more information on this unit and others here at Brett's RV, check out brettsrv.com or click the link below this video. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.